Hi, my name is Kira Balanzano, and this is my term project for 15112 at Carnegie Mellon University. Planning vacations can be a struggle, especially when you don't have the proper tools to guide you through the process. My project, Wanderlust, is an interactive user application that helps users plan their next trip to the beautiful country of Spain. The user can choose between the cities of Madrid or Valencia, as well as choose the type of vacation that they want, as some people prefer to be as active as possible, while others may simply want to rest. This ability to get a plan based on the overall goal of the vacation is a truly distinctive aspect. The desired travel dates and overall budget are also input. Say, for example, I have plans to go fly out in a few weeks, and I have a budget of 4,000 euros. After all of the information is entered, a new screen is presented. Note how the background changed to match the chosen city. It features a suggested itinerary developed via the user's preferences in conjunction with database scraping. So, for example, since I chose to have a more explorative vacation, you can see things such as the local zoo and a science museum and a market, instead of maybe visiting parks or something like that. It also encourages user interaction, as they can move attractions around to make the best possible schedule for them. So when you hover over it, there will be different colors, and then when you click on it, it will change colors, and that enables you to move it around as you wish. So say I wanted to go to Yadro Factory on the 24th instead, and maybe that I want to go to Mercado Central on this day instead. So you can do things like that. Also, the cost is calculated via web scraping, and it is presented at the top corner so that the user can keep it in mind. It appears in green if you are within budget and red if you're out of budget. And it also includes the average flight, hotel, and food costs, in addition to the scraped attraction costs. Another core feature is the restaurant suggestions. This feature utilizes databases and the Yelp API to present the user with the top restaurants in the city. If the user makes note of specific restaurants of interest, the next time he or she returns to this page, a machine learning algorithm is utilized to present restaurants that better cater to his or her food tastes. For example, if I'm going to Spain, I must have some sort of tolerance for tapas, so I can click on stuff that involves that. Maybe I also enjoy Italian food as well. And so when we save these preferences, they go into my user history. And then we go back, and if we were to click on it again, we can notice some shuffling occurred. Especially notice that the Spanish and tapas and Italian places have shifted up to the top, and some new restaurants have appeared, such as this Mediterranean restaurant, which is especially useful since Mediterranean food can be similar to Spanish or Italian food. Some other and smaller but unique features include a help screen to clearly lay out all of the capabilities of this application to the user. There's also a save button, and this is where the user is able to save a picture of the itinerary he or she designs via a screenshot. So if I click that and bring it up, we can see that the screenshot is brought up. And there's also a search ability. This works by clicking on the attraction of interest, for example, City of Arts and Sciences, and by pressing S as in search. A Chrome page will pop up with a Google search of the attraction so that the user can find more information or images if desired. As someone who enjoys traveling and understands the hardship of coordinating plans, I hope that this application can be of use, and I'm looking forward to increasing the scope of it in the future. Thanks so much for watching.